welcome to ClearTask. Today I will show you the fastest ways to draw a perfectly straight line in Microsoft Word. We will cover two simple methods depending on what kind of line you need. Method 1 is the keyboard shortcut. If you need a standard horizontal line that goes straight across the entire page, this is the quickest way to do it. Place your blinking cursor exactly where you want the line to appear. Type 3 hyphens in a row. Then press enter. Word will automatically convert those dashes into a solid straight horizontal line. If you want a thicker line, type 3 underscores instead and press enter. Need a double line? Type 3 equal signs and press enter. It is that simple. Method 2 uses the Shapes tool. You should use this method if you need a vertical line or a line with a specific custom length. First, go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Click on Shapes and select the Line tool from the drop-down menu. Now click and drag on your document to draw the line. Here is the secret to making it perfectly straight. While you are dragging your mouse, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Holding Shift locks the line, forcing it to be perfectly horizontal, perfectly vertical, or exactly at a 45-degree angle. Make sure to let go of your mouse button first, and then release the Shift key. To change the color or thickness, just click on your new line. Go to the Shape Format tab at the top, click on Shape Outline, and adjust the weight or color to your preference. That is it. Two fast, reliable ways to draw straight lines in Word. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.